Hey everybody, it's Brian from Cocktails with the Colemans, and who is ready for a holiday party? We're doing two different versions of a spiked hot chocolate. So we started off by making a big batch of hot chocolate. You can use a homemade recipe, or you can use, your favorite mix from a powder. And we've made it in the crock pot, got it good and hot. So we're gonna start off with 4 ounces of hot chocolate in a glass. Now this first hot chocolate we're doing is a Buckeye hot chocolate. So I've made my own version of a peanut butter whiskey here. This is just peanut butter and bourbon mixed together, about a half a cup of peanut butter, fill the jar up with bourbon, give it a good shake and let it sit for a little while. I'm gonna use a ½ ounce of this. And then I'm gonna add another ½ ounce of bourbon and just pour it right on top. And of course, give it a little whisk of whipped cream. And well, you gotta have a Buckeye on top. Ooh, that's gonna melt in and be so delicious. So there's number 1. Now, number 2 is gonna be a peppermint candy cane hot chocolate. We're gonna start off by rimming our glass. This is just a little bit of clear corn syrup mixed with water and some peppermint dust. And that gives me a really nice peppermint rim on my glass. We're gonna add to this 4 ounces of hot chocolate once again. Try to be careful so you don't mess up the rim. Now to this, we are gonna add a ½ ounce of chocolate liqueur and a ½ ounce of peppermint moonshine. You could also use peppermint schnapps if you want. Pour all that, right into the glass. And either way, it's time for the party to get started. Cheers.